Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative. I want to say hello to all of my followers, new and old alike. And I am here with another surprise Tuesday morning haul. And let's just jump right on in. So, as you know, they brought some more TM stuff out. And this is from the February line. So, this is probably going to be a few days late by the time I get this up. So, I did this haul like on the 25th, maybe 24th, 25th. But it's gonna be a few days if I can get this all up. But anyway, so they already had the February stuff out, and you know, they got some Tim Holtz bags. They got the rolling bag with the plastic in the inside, like the kind women use for makeup, the 3-fold ones, you know what I'm talking about. Then they got this one, they got the one that's on the little circular round caddy thing. This one is $7.99. It is zippered. You won't be able to see from this angle how big this is, but it's at least, it's over 12. It's probably about 16 inches, well, maybe 12 inches tall, I'm guessing. It's about 14 inches tall, 13, 14 inches tall. Nice sturdy kind of canvas. You got pockets on the side, so this is for, you know, like traveling one. Nice canvas bags, but it's sturdy, and got a kind of a plastic coated, it's not really plastic, but it's a coated lining on the inside, so if you have some inks or something in it, the inks probably would still stain it, I would think, but it wouldn't seep through. But it might be able to be wiped off, I'm not sure, but I thought it was a cute bag. And then I found this one. I purchased this before, maybe like 2 years ago. They had this bag out, and I have it in pink on my floor, and what I store in it, I love it because it's thin, as you can see. You can use this for your car as well. If you see this, you should really get this. This is great for organizing stuff in your car, in your home, in your office, whatever. And it was only $7.99. That's why it was a good price. When I got it before, I think I paid $14.99, I think is what I paid, or $9.99, I can't remember, but I know it was not $7.99 because I would have got more of them. I think it was like 14 or something. 209-0690. Let me read that again. 209-0690. And you know what? I'm sorry. I did not read the Tim Holtz number. I don't think I did. 209-0700 if you're looking for the Tim Holtz bag. So these are, both of these are February items. So, you know, we usually get some of the items a week or two ahead of time. The reason why I like this is because it's expandable tote. It has 3 compartments. You can open up 2 or 3, just depending on what you want to do. You won't be able to see it because of this angle. Sorry. But if you notice, right here is Velcro. So this is the width of one pocket, which is roughly about 7 inches deep, but it's 12 inches long. So you can put a 12 by 12 pad of paper in here, because I already did it when I was in the store. So this is a 12 by 12 sheet layout, plus the little inch over here tab. So it's about 13 inches wide. So at least a 12 by 12 pad of paper can get in here, because I stuck them in here. So that's how it is when you have it Velcro. But when you take this apart, okay, you can't see how long all of that is, but it's 3 long compartments, and it's the $7.99, and it has it's very sturdy. Like I said, mine is holding my card making stuff. You can put whatever in it. 12 by 12 paper pads. You can put this under your desk. 3 compartments. When you don't need it, you can squish it up, keep it in your car. You can keep it for whatever you want, grocery shopping, whatever. I think it's just a great caddy. I wouldn't have got pink because it's ain't my color, you know that. But I mean, it's not ugly, but it's just not my, that's not my shade. But I wasn't gonna pass that up for that price. So, because you can use a lot for it. So anyway, this haul is mainly about my letterboard stuff, but before I show you all of that, hold on, I'm dropping stuff. Let's see. Okay. think this is everything that goes in this home. So I had 3 ephemera packs. This one, and they have, oh my gosh, they brought out the same ones again and the old ones again, like, but it's like a billion of them. So all the stuff, these all have everything I got. Well, not everything, but these ephemera packs all got February, except for this, the Disney stuff, because that's already out. But this is the more pack. This probably was out over a year ago, I think. This is by the Carter Bella 33 piece. And the number is 2051801. And now, you know, it's 219 now. Went up some. Sorry about that. And then this is the petticoats and pinstripe. 33 piece. Echo Park again. And I may already have this, but I picked it up. I wasn't sure. 2051809. I was helping my girl at the store that I go with take everything out in the cart. She had so many packs. She didn't even have room to put these ephemera packs. I mean, she had, you know how they have them in a package, like 10 in a pack or something like that. She probably had 10 packs with 10 in the pack of just ephemera. So there should be a ton of your stores if you're looking for ephemera. And the Disney, they had, you know, they had all of the dies, Cars, Batman, Wonder Woman. It's on my Instagram account. There's a couple of different cars. They had pretty much all the Disney characters, you know, with Mickey Mouse, but they had all the princesses and Frozen and the paper lines and the sticker pads and chipboards, all that to coordinate with for each one of these things, and Ninja Turtles, a whole bunch of other ones. Anyway, this one is some die cuts. It was only 79 cents for 44 pieces. I actually have the Cricut cartridge to this, so I didn't buy any of the dies. But anyway, 2084867, because I already have that on. I have my stuff already on my Cricut, so I didn't need any more dies. So this is just some of the stuff I got, because I did get the letter board, and I showed you the red letter board that I got from TM for $9.99. And I saw Dolly post. Oops, sorry. She got one like this for $3.99 at the 99 cent store with a frame in it. Oh, I wish I could find it. I still wouldn't get this one up because this is red. But this is a 12 by 15. I already showed this one. I got this for $9.99. But all the other ones I've seen the same exact size were more expensive than this one. They were $14 and $16.99. So I don't know why this one was $9.99. But I'm going to keep it. I was on the fence about it, but I'm keeping it. So I'm trying to remember which ones I did show. So this one, $2.99. And this one is it's called Word 7-piece set. And it's got hello on the front. So it says hello, welcome home, fun, friends, party, and celebrate. And it's 2067573. And this is the Word Pack Adventure, Explore, Wonder, and Travel. So it was 2000193. So different colors. Thought that'd be nice. And of course, these are the icons that go along with that letterboard for $249. 15-piece set. 2000195. So, you know, of course, these have been out for a while. These have been in the store since 18, but the letter, I guess like the last month or so, the letter came out and I decided to get it. So, when they start bringing out all the pieces out. So the green one says, this one is called, it just says words too. Oh, this is called Adventure. This one was called Celebrate. And this is 2067574. So the words are adventure, super great, enjoy, best day, and be brave. So with these prices, instead of paying $10 a pack, you know, for $2.99, you get these. You can interchange them out. And my sister has a letterette. So I told her, I said we could divide this in half. So half going to her, half going to me. 2067576. She won't be back until March, so I do have some items in my next haul just for her that she's picking up when she comes. So this says love, smile, happy, beautiful, a heart, favorite moment, adorbs, and laugh. So shouldn't go to waste because we have plenty. So there's a gold pack of this as well. Let me see if I can find it. because I just set another haul. I just have to read it in the next haul. 2067565. These are the teal letters, 124 piece. And then these are $2.99. And this one is 2067578. They also have out anything you can for photo props. They had tons of photo props. The banners, the big Polaroids are like 2 feet tall or whatever. So this has the months of the year. 12 months right here. And since I travel a lot, I thought this would be great for my grandson, like just to remind him stuff I have to do, or he can put stuff he's got coming up that he wants me to know about. And this one is the menu kit, and it's 2067580. This has 12 pieces in it. This one I just read, the menu one, has 13 pieces in it. So, sorry about that glare. It has menu, breakfast, lunch, and then the 7 days of the week, and it has bon appetit. So, won't be really using it for the menu, but I will be using it for the days of the week for my schedule. And then, this last one is the party kit, 2067577. And you can see some of those. It says, welcome to the party, this way, wild, birthday, fun, awesome. And of course, that's kind of how those could look. So I'm excited to use that and use it at home or at work. But my thing is at my home. I think it'd be fun to use. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.